So once after completing all this scanning process from opening parenthesis to the right end, once everything is being scanned, what happens at the end of the expression, it has read and everything is done. Leftover symbols in your stack should be added to your postfix expression, right? So that is what we are doing here. While top is greater than 0, still elements are there. That means still elements are there in stack. Then you have to pop out the elements, put it in the postfix expression. Repeat this process. Whatever are there, if 1 or 2 elements are there left over, put it in it. And the end of the expression, put the means has is 0. Generally, end of a string or end of a character array, we will identify this. So we are giving that. And finally, output should be given a postfix expression, infix expression. It should print the postfix expression. Okay, so I was telling we will solve that. Can you repeat that part for me? Anyway, we will execute otherwise directly. Let me open this online browser. We will run the program. Enter a infix expression. Let me give a simple infix expression first. A plus B. AB plus. Got right? Let me run it again. So what was our first question which we saw? One of you please tell me. Can you tell it for me?
X raised to the power y.
Okay, still it is opening. X power, we should use this notation. X power y.
Divide slash
Divide.
open parenthesis 5 into z
5 into z.
close parenthesis plus 2
Oh, it is not getting. 5 star.
plus z, 5 into z
It got stuck. Connection lost. Okay, let me try it again. With some problem maybe. Same. Let me close and open again. But initially that value, whatever we asked for, it gave the output. Maybe here net connection is not so good, I think. It says this thing. Okay. So we'll give that expression x power y divided by, what you said, 5, right?
Open parenthesis 5 into z.
Okay. Into z, close the parenthesis, then
Plus 2.
2. Okay. Plus 2. So this is what your postfix expression is. As our exponent is having higher precedency, you will first perform x power y. Then, as it is in braces, you will finish this 5z into, then divide 2 plus. Okay. At least I hope all of you that remaining 3 expressions through this program, at least you convert and tell the output. Is the coding part clear? Program is clear? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Fine. Then shall we wind up for today? And what I'm next lab, as I told, we will. I will have a look into your observations. Okay, execute like this. You have to execute, write few outputs also, and I will see your observations. I will spend some time. It's okay. Maybe today I couldn't spend full time. I have seen, but not fully. Next lab, I will specifically see. We have full 3 hours, not an issue. At least this execution, I'm not able to see. Your observations, I will be seeing. So make sure you're executing. As of by next lab, 3 programs. The first one you have already done. For next 2 programs we have done now, stack implementation using array and infix to postfix conversion. Okay. And I don't want to dump everything in the same lab. Let us continue in our next lab regarding evaluation of postfix and tower of Hanoi. Maybe both are in the same program. So that program we'll see in our next lab.